Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to create a trust wallet. So we're going to tap on create new wallet. We're going to agree to the privacy policy and terms of service. You're going to enter a passcode. Let's just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then re-enter it again. And now we're going to write down our words again. And you do not share them ever. So again, this wallet will be deleted once the seed phrase has been written down. Once we have the seed phrase written down, we will tap on continue, and then it's going to ask us to re-enter the seed phrase in the order that we wrote it down. So once this is done, again, I will delete this wallet because I've shared the seed phrase. Again, never share the seed phrase. I'm only doing this for demonstration purposes. Cube. So once that's done, we tap on done, and then your wallet will get created. And just like that, you've successfully created your wallet. And then if you want, yes, I will show you that right away. If you want to add more coins, because you can see that Tron is not here, you will tap on the 2 lines with the circles in the upper left corner. And if you scroll down, you can see Tron. You'll just tap that button to turn it on. And again, if you want to keep any of these other coins, you would just have to go in there and turn it on. So we'll tap the arrow back, and now you can see Tron is here. So now we have a Tron wallet added to our multi-coin wallet. Okay, so in order to show you in Trust Wallet how you access the seed phrase, you're going to tap on Settings, and then you're going to tap up here where it says Wallets, and you're going to tap on the information next to the wallet you want to know the secret phrase to, and then you'll tap on Show Secret Phrase. It'll ask for either your passcode or if you have your thumbprint. And you have to acknowledge all 3 of these statements because it's to understand that you are responsible for your seed phrase, and if you lose it or share it, then you lose your wallet. So again, never want to share this information publicly. Since this is just a test and a tutorial wallet, I will delete it immediately after. So once you have that, you'll tap on continue, and then it'll ask you to re-enter the words in the order that you wrote them down. And once we do that, we will be done backing up our wallet. Sorry, I'm having a little trouble reading. So now we have that, we've confirmed it, it's all backed up. It's verified that we've backed it up. And that's how you see your seed phrase.